it's me, Cherry. As you can see, I'm not in my normal studio this weekend. Where am I? I'm in Paradise Valley, Arizona on a much needed vacation. As you can probably see, I am a little bit sunburned, but that's okay. I just laid out in the sun all day. I describe myself as going into full lizard mode, where it's like that kind of like lulling sleep that you just have in the sun because you're just so relaxed. So that was my goal for this trip. I had like such an amazing day. I'm excited to see my morning tomorrow. It was just a quick weekend trip, so I have to be back at work on Monday, so we're not gonna be partying too much tonight. But I did want to do a quick little fun get ready with me, just because one, I've never done one before, and two, I feel like I just really am in the mood to do some fun makeup. So let's just get started. Let's do it. I'm going to start off with my brows. So I'm going to use Benefit's Goof Proof Brow Pencil. This is the shade 3. And let's just line our eyebrows to start. Last night I went to this super cute restaurant called Sumo Maya. The waitstaff was like absolutely amazing. My waiter Eric was great, and the food, oh my god, the food, it's kind of like a Japanese Mexican fusion, which I was kind of really into. I'm just really sad that I didn't eat more, honestly. Like, it was so good that I just wanted to keep eating, but I was like, nope, there's limits to my stomach. Unfortunately. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 primer. I've been out in the sun, my skin's probably dehydrated. Alrighty, and now I'm gonna do my foundation. Today I'm using the Haley's Beauty Reset Liquid Matte Foundation. This is the shade 4.25 Neutral. I'm really hoping that this foundation just somehow, no, it does not kind of match. I am so red, do you see this? Oh, but it's okay. We get red before we get tan, right? Hopefully this is the color that it will be like once I transform. I don't even remember like the last time that I went to Arizona. Like, honestly, it was probably about 10 years ago. I used to go on this houseboat trip with like a couple of family friends. We would go down kind of like in one big group, and we would spend like a couple weeks on this houseboat. It was really cute. But that's the last time that I remember being in Arizona, and I just remember like loving the sun. I love the water, I love the nature. It's all so gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and conceal with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 190. But yeah, so I was very excited to kind of come check out the nightlife, check out the food. I've heard that this is like a very foodie place, in which I was proven correct from Sumo Maya last night. Arizona humidity is honestly getting to my skin a little bit. I've been a little oily, I've been a little sweaty, but that's okay. Get a little setting powder is going to fix it. So let's go ahead and just add it to our under eyes. As we can see, I need to buy a new setting powder, but it's okay. We used what we got. And I think I want to do kind of a sunset eye with like a little pop of turquoise or a little pop of blue. I don't know if you can see, there's a little bit of blue in my dress, so I think that would be fun to kind of play off of. So let's go ahead and start with the crease. I'm first going to use just like a crease brush. Today I am using the Morphe Hotspot palette. And I think to start, like, look how gorgeous like all of these colors are. That's one of the reasons why I kind of wanted to start playing with this a little bit earlier, and I thought vacation would be a great time to do it. So I think we're gonna start with this little like peachy color right here and kind of buff it into the crease. Okay, and then with a more tapered eyeshadow brush, we're we're gonna go into this kind of like goldish color down here, and we're just gonna pack it kind of right into the crease. And let's just blend it out. But tonight I'm going to this fun Italian restaurant. They specialize in like the best like balsamic vinaigrettes, I guess, in Arizona, and like they're most picky about it. I don't know about you, but I love a good balsamic vinaigrette. You can throw that on a caprese salad, you can throw it on anything. I'm happy, I love it, so I'm very excited to go and check it out. And then after that, who knows, I might stay at the hotel. I've heard that people my age like to go out into Old Town, so I might go check out the bar scene down there. We'll see, you know, the night's young, we're just getting ready. I think next, with the more finely tapered brush, I'm gonna head into this kind of like brick color and just kind of outline the gold a little bit more. All right, and it's blended out a little bit. Next, I'm gonna head in with the same tapered brush into this chocolatey brown and kind of do the same exact thing. And then let's blend this out. Lastly, we're going to use this almost black color and just outline it with the same tapered brush, and then we're going to go into our blues. I'm gonna head into one of the blues. I already went ahead and wet this eyeshadow brush, so we're just gonna head right on in. And you'll notice that if you just wet your eyeshadow brush just a little bit, sometimes like metallic pigments will come off a little bit brighter. So that's just a good little cheat if you don't want to use like a primer, or if you don't want to use something a little heavier, then water is always a good alternative. But I think that I'm gonna head into this beautiful turquoise right here, and then just put it in the center of the lid. And then I think I'm gonna head into this nude right here, just with my finger, and add it to the inner corner for a little bit of brightness over here. Now let's go ahead and dust off this under eye. And now I'm going to contour. So today I'm using the Fenty matchsticks to contour. I'm going to use the shade Mocha. I want to hit all of the points of my face that I want to have more depth. Look a little more chiseled, more tanned and toned. I'm going to use the Beauty Blender, spray it a couple times with the Too Faced, and get to blending. And then let's go ahead and highlight the nose using the shade Bamboo. Blend it out with your finger. I think I'm gonna head to the Jade Bar just a little bit after this, maybe just to have a drink before I head out to dinner. I went last night, it was super beautiful. They had live music, so that was really fun. The bartenders were all super cool. There were these people on a horrible bad date next to me, so I left ultimately, but other than that, it was just a really great time. I'm using my Fenty Stalk'r bronzer in the shade Island Ting just to give me a little bit more warmth in the places that I want it. Okay, and I'm gonna do a little baby liner, so I'm going to use the Tarte Sex Kitten liner, and we're just gonna do a little baby wing right along where we did our smoky eye. So just a little baby one, nothing crazy. Alrighty, and to do my lashes, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar X Fiber Mascara. I'm going to start with the black primer. And then on to number 2, the mascara. And I'm gonna highlight using the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Freestyle highlighter. I'm going to use Mean Money. I'm just gonna go up my cheekbone like so, on each side. My nose, my upper lip, and a little bit up here, why not? Okay, and to finish off with my lip, I'm going to use a MAC lip pencil in the shade Oak and just kind of outline my lips. And then I'm going to top it off with the Patrick Ta Major Glow Lip Shine in the shade Is She Younger Than Me? This stuff smells so yummy. Okay guys, well this is our final look. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. If you have any recommendations in the Phoenix, Scottsdale, Arizona area, I would love to hear it because I want to come back soon, try more food, do more things. I just really love it here. I feel like I'm at home here and I can kind of just take a break and relax, and that's what I really needed. So I'm excited to go to dinner. I'm excited to go out maybe. And I'll keep you updated and I'll see you next time. Bye!